In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive files without zipping. If you've ever tried to pull multiple items from Google Drive and ended up with a single zip file, this guide is for you. The key is to download files individually so they stay in their original format. And I'll also show you the quickest way to make items available offline if you just need access without the internet. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, browse to the folder that contains the files you want. You can use the search bar at the top or navigate through your folders. Take a moment to confirm you've found the exact files you need, especially if you have similar names or duplicates. Now press and hold on a file to select it. That long press is helpful for highlighting an item without opening it. For downloading without zipping, focus on a single file at a time. Next, look for the three-dot menu to the right of that file. Tap it to open the options menu for that one item. From the menu, choose Download. Your device will begin saving the file right away, keeping it in its original format rather than compressing it. You'll typically see a small progress indicator, and on many devices, you can check the download status in your notifications. When it's done, you'll find the file in your device's Downloads folder or your Files app. If the file is large, make sure you have enough storage space and a stable connection to avoid interruptions. A quick note on why this works. Google Drive only creates a zip when you select multiple items or a folder. By opening the menu for a single file and choosing Download, you bypass that compression step. If you have several files to keep unzipped, simply repeat this process for each one. If your goal is just to use the files without an internet connection, you don't need to download them to your device storage. Instead, select the files and tap Make Available Offline. Drive will store a local copy inside the app so you can open and view them without a connection, and they won't appear in your device's Downloads folder. This is great for saving space and keeping everything organized within Drive. You can manage offline availability from the same three-dot menu anytime. That's it. Open Drive, find your file, use the three-dot menu on a single item, and tap Download to avoid zipping. Or, if you simply need offline access, choose Make Available Offline. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.